Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Pangea green metallic paint. To start off with then, you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 20-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Pangea green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that this vehicle does in fact have a 7-seat configuration. And once those extra seats are down, you can see that you have a substantial amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now this car does have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 13,679 miles, however this is subject to change. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or listen to your own music. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information and terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Further helping even more with this is the off-road feature on the 360 view camera, helping on those off-road days. And of course you also have the 3D view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those cold winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D350 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.